Cooking with Kid Troy. On today's episode, we're going to be making an old-fashioned buttermilk pie. Now, before you get into this video, hit the subscribe button over here and smash the like button over here. Now, let's get started. So first, let's preheat our oven to 350 degrees. 3, 5, 0.
All right, so we got flour all over our rolling pin. We're just gonna roll out a quick pie shell. I just had to throw together some pie dough real quick.
And we also mise en place in the background.
Yep. Trying not to bang it, so I don't want to knock over any of those ingredients.
That's the biggest pie dough I ever seen.
No, but it gets bigger. I need it bigger.
Well, hopefully it doesn't break.
But don't jinx it. Measure it. You can see the pie pan covers the pie crust covers the pie pan. You just fold it in half. Fold it in half again. It makes a little triangle. Put your pie pan down. Put that triangle at the edge of the pan. Covers 1/4, right?
Right.
Now it covers half, right?
Right. Hey.
It's fractions.
Now
So that's 1/2, and there's the whole. So for all the kids out there learning fractions, you just saw a quarter, a half, and a whole.
But that's not all.
And you just press all the air out of the pan, like this. Right? And then what you can do is you can make a little design, like this. Squeeze your fingers in here, like that. Get your fingers like this, and take your thumb and push in. And that's how you make a little decorative design.
Do it very slowly and carefully.
Yep. And then you just press along the edge to get the remainder of the dough off, okay? And if it's still sticking,
uh-oh.
Take the whole thing and just kind of, you can do this with a butter knife. This is a pastry knife right here. It's not sharp. Just scrape your edges like that, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Scrape your edge, and voila, there's your pie crust. You take this remnant pie crust right here. You can use something with it. You can put it in a small ramekin. You can roll it back out, make something else with it. All kind of dishes with this. You can just roll this back out and make something small. Make little, what they call those things? Turnovers and whatnot. Make little pie turnovers or little miniature apple pies. Do all kind of stuff with that. All right, so take your pie shell. Now we're gonna take these ingredients that we mise en place, mix them in our KitchenAid, and we'll be right back.
All right. So first, in order to make our batter, let's pour the sugar and the flour in the mixing bowl.
Oh, we're using a new attachment on this one, huh? Yeah, that's called a whip attachment.
Alright. Follow my order, everybody.
So if you're using a KitchenAid, make sure you use a whip attachment. If you're using a hand beater, just make sure you got the right beaters that come with your utensil. And you can also whisk this by hand too if you really just want to get a good workout.
Okay, now enough with that, and let's start mixing.
All right, mix that for a few seconds. Now what?
Now let's crack our eggs. Oh, that was too hard. Yeah, that was a little too hard, but is there any shells?
Nope, you're good.
Nope, okay.
All right, stop
good.
that. Stop the machine.
Let me lower it down. What are you doing, Dad?
So I'm getting some lemon zest and I'm shaving a lemon. This is called a microplane. You just push the lemon zest, which is basically just the skin. This is a microplane. These little blades right here will shave pretty much any fruit. And you want to get the zest of a lemon or any citrus fruit because it's in the skin. This is where all the flavor is, right there in the skin. It's all kind of delicious lemon oils. It's very aromatic. It smells wonderful.
Well, you just answered my question because I was about to ask you what are lemon zest, but you just answered my question.
There you go. Because I'm thorough, baby. I'm thorough. And this is what your lemon should look like when you're done zesting it. All right, we're going to put this in there.
All right.
All right, Troy, let's finish putting that last egg in there.
All right.
Hold on, gotta put all the other ingredients in there, buddy.
Wait, what?
Yep. So
oh, yeah.
Put your lemon zest.
Mm-hmm. Bye-bye.
And get your lemon juice. And I could have just squeezed the lemon juice out of this lemon, but nah, I gotta save that for another episode.
Yep.
The episode we're doing tomorrow is lemon icebox pie.
Oh!
Yeah. Get your vanilla,
Alright.
your buttermilk, and your butter. Buttermilk, baby.
Oh, well, that was
Okay,
easy.
Pour it all. There you go.
Why does buttermilk have to be sticky?
Because it's buttermilk. And get your butter.
That's true.
Melted butter. A half cup of melted butter.
Make sure it's melted, y'all.
All right.
That should be...
Raise the bowl and let it work.
Scrape down your bowl and mix it on high speed for 30 seconds. 2, 3. So now I'm gonna pour the batter. Alright, it's my first time pouring the batter. So
Look at all those lemon zest pieces. Pour it all. Pour it all. Cool beans. Good job. We don't even need a rubber spatula. All right. Now we put that on the sheet pan and slide that bad boy in the oven.
alright. Let's get this bad boy in the oven. It's time to get this bad boy in the oven.
This is liquidy.
It's time to get this bad boy in the oven. It's time to get this bad boy in the oven. Oven.
350 for 40 minutes. And it may take a little longer than 40 minutes. We're gonna start there until there's no wiggle in the middle.
Okay.
All right.
We'll see you later.
All right, let's get this bad boy out the oven and take a look at it. Oh, look at that. So this is how you can tell. See this right here? See that very little wiggle? That you want a little bit of jiggle, but not too much. Ooh, that's hot. All right, let that, let's cut this off. Now you're gonna let this cool for approximately 30 to 45 minutes before you can even attempt to slice it. So let's get it off of that hot pan. All right, we're just gonna let that cool.
All right. So here's our buttermilk pie. That looks delicious. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, leave a comment below, share this video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!